Hello dear fans. How to measure voltage with a multimeter. Most modern devices for measuring the parameters of electric current are universal and allow you to measure not only voltage, but also current strength, as well as resistance, capacitance, etc. Such devices are called multimeters or simply testers. In order to measure the voltage, a voltmeter is required. Instructions. Step 1. With the help of a tester, you can measure both direct voltage and alternating voltage. To measure a constant voltage, use a special scale that has 5 measurement limits: 200 mV, 2 volt, 20 volt, 200 volt, and a maximum of 1000 volt. When measuring the voltage of household appliances, this number of limits is sufficient. If the voltage is not initially known, measurements should be started using the maximum limit. Step 2. The tester has 2 test leads, one is red, the other is black. The black probe is ground and connects to minus. The red probe is for measuring voltage and, accordingly, is connected to the plus. In order to measure the constant voltage, fix the black probe to the ground. You can use the crocodile probe and touch the red probe to the place whose voltage you want to measure. Step 3. Be careful when measuring voltage. Do not confuse measurement limits and try not to short-circuit anything. If, when measuring a higher voltage, 300 to 400 volt, you set the measurement limit to 200 mV, the device may fail. The upper limit, 1000 volt, may not be enough only when working with monitors or televisions, since there is a maximum voltage, up to 20 kV. For these measurements, it is better to take a high-end instrument. Step 4. The AC voltage scale is slightly different. This scale has one less limit than the DC voltage scale: 200 mV, 2 volt, 20 volt, 200 volt, and the maximum is 750 volt. But this range of limits is usually enough to make the desired measurements. Everything else looks the same as in the case of DC voltage measurement. Step 5. In order to measure the alternating voltage, attach the black probe to the ground and measure the voltage of the desired area, touching it with the red probe. Thanks for watching.